Hey guys, what's up? Shane from Awake FX here again. I'm going to be showing you a live trade I'm in at the moment. Let's see if we can record all of this one live. Today's date is the 12th of May 2023. We're going to be looking at the ES futures market. And I'm going to show you the charts, chart breakdown, and a trade I'm in right now. So let's have a look at the charts. Okay guys, so this is a daily chart of the ES. And I'm going to do a quick top-down analysis and show you where I am in the trade right now. So looking at the daily chart here, we can see today is Friday, obviously. Yesterday, I've just marked up the high and the low of yesterday's candle just to know where that is. Yesterday's candle, if you notice, is an inside day or an inside candle because the high and low is contained within the previous day. So we're kind of wedging in here at the moment. Now, what's interesting about the 1 hour is we had this candle here. See this candle in the 1 hour really spike up there yesterday. Take out this fair value gap here, moved lower, and I anticipated that there would be stop loss orders above that candle's wick. So I've marked that up as my buy side, and my sell side is just all the way down here below this candle's low. Don't worry about these other lines. These are new week opening gaps. I'll have to do a video on that, but it's an ICT concept. So let's have a look now at the 15-minute chart. So this is where we are right now. Now, looking at this, for me, it's quite obvious that this is the buy side location. So somebody was asking me there recently, how do I mark up my buy side, sell side? I look for locations where I would expect someone who's short from over here on the left. You were short. Where would you trail your stop to? Definitely above that high, there would have to be stops. So that's what's been taken here. But that's not enough for us. We need to see a market structure shift. So check out my other lessons on market structure to understand how that works. But I'll zoom here to a 5-minute chart so you can see it more clearly. So here's a 5-minute chart. And let's just look at this in its most simple form. We have a swing low down here. Price moved to a high, higher low. Okay, when we went up to this higher high here, higher low, higher high. Now, when this candle here broke this low, so this was a structural change here. We kept moving lower. Let me just mark that. So from here we went to a lower low, and then we made this what appears to be a lower high at the moment. Okay, so my hypothesis is that price is going to keep moving lower. Okay, this orange line down here is yesterday's close. Okay, so I expect that to be a magnet for price. So these are the time zones I usually trade in, between 8:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. New York time, or between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time. I've taken this trade a little bit earlier because of the fact that it is a very clear buy side liquidity sweep, in my opinion, and has the market structure shift there, which appears to be quite clear. So I'm happy to be in a short trade here. Also, if you look at a Fibonacci tool from the absolute high here down to this low here, we'd have pulled back into value, or a discounted array. We're above the 50% and we rejected and we're moving lower. So I got in here into the trade. Let me just show you that. So this is the live trade here on the left. You can see I'm short at 4159.25. Okay, so let me just mark up my risk reward tool here. So I'm short here. You can see in my risk reward tool from this point here, 4159.25. And I have a 5-point stop on this. Sorry, 64.25. It's a 5-point stop there. So risking $500 on the trade. I'm only looking to make 2 or on this, get about just over 10 points on it and be done for the day, right? So in order to get 10 points, where does this have to go to? So it needs to go to here, approximately. Okay, we've got a swing low over here. So we can mark that. That swing low there is a decent sell side to be targeting. So you see these swing lows over here. So we'll mark that there as sell side. So we're happy to target that. There's also the draw on liquidity down here, which is yesterday's close. But I had a good morning. I'm happy to close out this trade if I get a nice 10-point run on it and be done for the day. So let's see if we can get that now on this live recording. So for 10 points, we need to go from 5925 to 4925, or let's say 49 round number. So my take profit there, 2 contracts at 4149. So it just would net me about $1,025. And we're up about 250. Price is moving down and away. So we're happy to hold this trade. There's a 1 hour fair value gap here. See between this low, this candle's high. Price made a pass down, continued. Price wicked up. We didn't have any bodies go up through this 1 hour fair value gap, which we have done here. So we can get a close, hourly close below this level, which is our actual entry point. That would be positive for the trade. Time is 12:54 in Ireland, which is 7:54 in New York. So you can see how I'm using multi-time frame analysis here. I know I'm always on the 5-minute chart, but I do look at the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the daily. After doing this for over 12 years, you eventually, in your mind, understand what's happening. I know what's happening on the 1 hour, and I know what's happening on the 15-minute. I know where I am in the 5-minute within all of that. And that's where you want to get your headspace to. Now, it takes a lot of time, but look at the 1 hour chart and have a look and see what the 15-minute chart is doing at that time. Have a look at the 5-minute. Probably three time frames is enough. 1 hour, 15, 5 minutes. And understand where you are within all of that. Keeping cool, guys. A little bit of meditation. Meditation is good to do before you trade. I do recommend it. Before I trade, I do close my eyes, do some meditation, be calm, visualize a successful trading day, visualize yourself taking your setups, staying calm in the trade, and allowing your setups run to their targets. Okay, let's go. Let's get down these steps. Come on, trade, let's move. Time is 8:05 a.m. in New York. So as you can see, guys, price is moving. We're up about $500 here at the moment. Time is 8:22 a.m. in New York. Just looking for this push down to the 41.49 area here. So you can see, guys, we had a pullback right up in here towards a 50% retracement of the move down. So from high to low with a pullback, very close to the 50% retracement level there. So we kept our head cool, stayed in the trade. Let's see if we can get this push. Okay, get down them steps to our target. That's what we want to see. Price move down, go to our target, close out the trade, and then be done for the day. That's the goal here. It's Friday, want to enjoy the weekend. It's sunny outside. I'm very fortunate. I live beside some lovely beaches, so go with the wife and kids to the beach once we get this closed. So we're being patient here, letting the trade do its thing. No emotion. See, guys, we're getting our push lower. I've been in this trade quite a long time at this stage. Maybe I should have just walked away from the computer and went for a walk. Just let it play out, let it do its thing. But look, we'll sit here, we'll record this for you guys. There we go. Coming down. Can we get a push down to our target? See that the YM is selling off there at the moment. NASDAQ has wicked higher. It's currently moving lower. Can we get our push down to target? Let's go. Come on. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Keep going. Keep going, baby. Get down them steps. Get down them steps. I'm just going to close it out. Just close the trade there, guys. Just close the trade. Just shy of our target. So there we go, guys. That's how it's done. Happy with that trade. Let's have a quick look at it. And there we go. Would have hit our target for just over $1,000, but look, I was happy with it. I think I got about 900 in that one. We'll have a quick look here now. We were patient. We waited. We got the trade. We banked the money. So you can see, guys, at the bottom there, $900, $450 and $450. That's 900 on the ES trade to add to that trade I had this morning on the euro dollar. So total today banked $2,368. So I am off to the beach. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more of this action. Have a great weekend and bye-bye.